Okay? Um, why we have to build our faith ato natubang na night. Karong gabi will answer the question how to build ourselves in the most holy faith. Ang akong wife Nanny was telling me, you have to give illustration of how to build a house or how to build your faith. You know, no? When you build a house, there must be a plan. Right? Dili pwede mag-build a house if there's no plan. Even this roof or any building for that matter, there should always be a plan by the architects. Salamat sa Ginoong design gyapon ang plano sa Ginoo that God has a plan to